this is Beryl and
Addison.
And we are making a holiday oyster dressing. And it is going to be fabulous because we already tried it. So stay tuned and we'll get to show you how to do it.
My mom made cornbread, and I'm gonna chop it up. She's gonna deal with the oysters. So
Yeah. So
do I chop it up?
So a key thing to making an oyster dressing or any dressing, because we made one with just sausages and pork sausage, but the key is to have everything done, like all your vegetables chopped, your cornbread made. We brown the sausage, have it all ready so that you can just put it all together when you get all the elements cooked. So first thing I did was made the cornbread. Next, I also browned the sausage. This is some andouille smoked sausage. You can brown it or you can put it straight in because it is already cooked. And then now we're going on to the oysters because that sausage rendered some fat, and then I mixed it with olive oil. And so I'm just gonna let these oysters, they're a pint of raw oysters. I drained them. And now I gotta look at them. So I'm gonna cook them just like a minute or two till they curl on the edges because we wanna be able to chop them up. So here we go. So the edges of my oysters are curled, so I'm just going to take them out here and put them on paper towels because I'm going to have to let them cool a second so I can cut them into pieces.
So we've got our onion, celery, bell pepper. We're going to cook these in this. So bring the camera over here.
Leave a little.
Do you want me putting it all in one?
Yeah.
Like,
You put it all in there, then you kind of stir them around. Oh, the pretty tomatoes.
Those are tomatoes.
Oh.
That's Addison tomatoes right there.
So we put all of that in there. So we're just gonna stir it gently, just for a little bit. Where do I put the garlic? Just in the back in there?
Huh?
Do you want me to put it on
Yeah, you just squeeze it into here. Put some muscle into it.
Yeah, I know, I'm strong. You don't have to tell me.
Go.
This took about the onions took about 5 minutes to clear up.
That's fine.
We chopped all this up. So we also had at least 3-4 garlics. We used
The mincer.
our mincer right here. So we're gonna mix it all up.
Yep.
So
Put that in there.
in the cornbread too.
Yeah. So what you're gonna do is mix in like a pile of cornbread and then a cup of juice
Okay.
What about all that other stuff?
and all the other stuff. Just Just kind of layer it like you've done
Yeah.
things before.
A cup of it?
1 cup at a time. Yeah. Just about all of it.
You drink that stuff too.
Ew.
Chicken juice.
Ew.
Pour in all the stuff. You got your chopped oysters, sausage.
It's gonna make a very good dressing.
Mm-hmm. It's gonna be flavorful.
You want me to put this in?
Yep. All of it. Don't look at it. Cover your eyes.
You're gonna kill me. Ah, I'm so messy. Is it on?
Roll.
Gonna spray it. Imagine you walked out of your bathroom, but then this was all over the place. It smells good.
Let me check your consistency.
Oh, I know my consistency is good, Missy.
Okay.
Okay, so we finished this. We're gonna put it in the oven for 30 minutes. We have our top that is fogged, so I'm gonna put something special. Subscribe. Okay. We'll open this. Are you sure it's not hot?
The oven's hot. The thing in your hand is. Don't touch anything in the oven.
How am I supposed to get it out?
Here.
Your girl's scared of heat. And we'll wait for 30 minutes. Bye, guys.
Hey y'all, we're back and we have a beautiful oyster dressing today. I just love it. I already been in it. Oh my gosh, that's so hot. But this was super easy. Thanks to Addison for helping me make it. Oyster dressing with some andouille sausage. So we've got that sweetness of the cornbread and the spiciness of that sausage. It's a great combination for your holiday table. And we'll see you next time.
Got a lights. Action.
Lights, camera, action. Pew, pew, pew.
Energy.
Energy. We need high energy. You just be regular. We need high energy from you.
Yeah, Mama, we need high energy from you. Is it on?
Roll.
Gonna spray it. Wipe it.
No, just spray all around.